Bringing a lasagna into the world is the true marks of a pasta master. This Thursday, I'll be able to help you make lasagna for yourself. The way my nonna makes it is with 3 components. We have the pasta, the traditional bolognese sauce, and the cheese, which is mozzarella and parmesan. We'll be using the same equipment that we've been using for the last few weeks, only this time we'll need a lasagna tray. I like to use a tray that's the same width as my pasta machine, but really you can use any tray that you have. So we'll allow about an hour to make the lasagna, and we'll allow up to 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven, to cook it. Tune in at 7 p.m. on Thursday for another week of Pasta Hotline. Ciao!